Let me tell you what procurement really is and why it might be the most underestimated job in your whole operation. Most people think procurement just means buying. You need something, you find a supplier, you get a good price, you place the order, done. That's the textbook version. And in a normal office, it's fine. But I've spent more than 20 years in high-risk industries. Fuel, oil, gas, explosives, chemicals, and the critical inputs that keep mines, plants, and energy operations running. In that world, the simple version is not just incomplete, it's dangerous. So let me give you the real one. Procurement is how an organization gets the goods and services it needs to operate. On paper, it covers a few things: working out what you actually need, finding suppliers you can trust, agreeing on a contract, placing the order, checking that what arrives is right, and managing that supplier over time. Most people stop there and say, so it's the buying department, and that's the mistake. Because the real job is not the buying. The real job is owning the risk of everything you bring into your operation. Let me show you what that looks like when it's real. I once watched a heavy fuel oil delivery get held back. Not because of a shortage, for political reasons. Someone used that delivery as leverage. Here's what made it serious. That fuel ran the power for a local town and for the town's hospital, so a delivery date on a purchase order stopped being a date. It became whether the lights stayed on, whether the machines in that hospital kept running. That is procurement, not a line item, not a saving of a few percent, the continuity of a whole community resting on one delivery. The government stepped in less than 6 hours before the blackout, supply resumed, and my phone call actually went through. So why is this risky and not just paperwork? A few reasons. The thing you buy usually feeds something critical, so failure is not an inconvenience. It's a stoppage or a safety event. Supply is often concentrated, so you can't always switch suppliers overnight, and sometimes there's only one. And these are physical, technical products, so passing the specification and being safe to use are not the same thing. That last gap has nearly turned a blast into a disaster, and I'll show you exactly how in another video. Now here's the shift, and it's the whole reason this channel exists. Most procurement people are trained to ask one question first: what does it cost? In high-risk work, that's the question that gets people hurt. The question that protects you is a different one. What happens if it fails? Cost is the easy question. What happens if it fails is the hard one, and it's the one that actually matters. So if you buy, approve, or manage anything that keeps an operation running, you're in procurement, whatever your title says, and this channel is for you. Procurement is not the buying department. It's the risk you carry every time supply meets operations. If you want to get better at seeing that risk before it lands, subscribe. That's what we do here. And if you want to go deeper, the first chapter of my book is free. The link is below.